Hey guys, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today I'm reviewing the LG GL C322 RPZU refrigerator. It's a double-door, frost-free, 3-star, 308-litre refrigerator. Now LG has equipped this refrigerator with the choicest of features, from basic to some really advanced ones. And based on that, this fridge is one of the most sought-after refrigerators in the market right now. Let's learn more about the features one by one. This fridge comes with LG trademark linear cooling technology. Now with this technology, the temperature difference between the compartments of the refrigerator is significantly reduced. As a result, the cooling stays uniform across the refrigerator. Not just that, linear cooling also retains the freshness and moisture of your groceries for up to 14 days. With a host of advanced features, this refrigerator is also equipped with the versatile and powerful, again LG exclusive inverter linear compressor. Now the inverter linear compressor works within an intricate and precise temperature range of ±0.5 degrees Celsius. That's almost half the temperature variation as compared to a conventional compressor. This means benefits like up to 51% energy saving, 25% noise reduction, a lifespan of 20 years on the compressor, certified by renowned German testing lab VDE. Now this fridge comes with LG's top-notch trademark features. Next up is the Door Cooling Plus technology. This LG refrigerator comes with special vents in addition to the already existing multi-airflow vents. These ensure even cooling in all parts of the refrigerator. The results are 35% faster cooling and longer freshness for your groceries, especially during summer months. Moving on, this LG refrigerator is also equipped with a smart diagnosis feature. With this feature, servicing an LG refrigerator is easy, smart and extremely time efficient. Let me explain how this works. So whenever there's a problem with your fridge, all you need to do is activate Smart Diagnosis and let the mobile application do its job. Simply call the LG customer service helpline and place the phone on the appliance. The appliance then communicates with the computer, which in turn produces a diagnosis within seconds and provides an immediate solution for your problem. Doesn't that make your life really convenient? The list of its trademark features does not end here. Next up is the Auto Smart Connect technology. Now friends, this feature helps connect your refrigerator to your home inverter automatically. So once the refrigerator is connected to the home inverter, every time the power goes off, it automatically switches to the power backup without any manual supervision. So friends, I think your long painful search for a perfect cooling companion ends right here. The LG GL C322 RPZU refrigerator is a powerful cooling machine that'll become an ideal help for your family in no time at all. So go ahead and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart. Because here, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.